Hello, I'm Carl Msico, and I teach programming Python here at UC Berkeley Extension. I worked in the high-tech industry for more than 15 years, writing projects from mobile apps to enterprise systems, all the while teaching Python to students of all levels. I'm excited to share my experience with you as you begin your journey programming. We cover the fundamentals, from numbers and strings to containers such as lists and dictionaries. You'll learn how to manipulate data as well as read it from and store it to files. You'll also learn how to organize your code using conditionals, loops, functions, and classes. And finally, we'll look at the most used modules that extend Python's functionality. At the end of the course, you will leave with programming assignments, discussions, and a comprehensive final project that covers all the concepts presented in class. The ability to program in Python, the world's most popular programming language, will only further your career opportunities and make you a greater asset.